Hi and welcome back, Attorney Steve Vondran. Welcome to Breaking IP News. Okay, so here's the new case for the day. Copyright Watchdog. We've got the case of War versus Mashable Inc. So this is a new case that looked like it was filed on February 11th, 2019 in New York. Let's look at the complaint here, see what they're alleging. You're going to see here, this is going to be a copyright 1202 claim. 1202 claim as well as just general infringement. So let's take a look. All right, so here's your complaint. We are in the PACER federal court search system here. And here's your complaint. United States District Court, Southern District of New York. And let's take a look at the allegations. Jury trial demanded. Okay, so let's just get down right to it. You can read this if you want right here. Let's go right down to the facts. Statement of facts, background of plaintiff's ownership of a photograph. So this is photography infringement case, okay? War is the plaintiff photographed a dog playing with a garden sprinkler. A dog with a garden sprinkler in Dallas, Texas to beat the summer heat. That's one way you beat the heat in Texas. You grab that sprinkler and you rattle it around. A true and correct copy of the photo is attached to Exhibit A. We'll look at this. Let's go back here and take a look at this photo. See what we're dealing with here, okay? Exhibit A to the complaint. And let's take a picture of that copyrighted dog photo here. So the plaintiff was a photographer, took this photo, and apparently, according to the allegations in the complaint, went ahead and registered it with the United States Copyright Office. So there you see it. It's a little, I would say, I'm the untrained photographer, by the way. So, but it looks like a dark photo. It looks like there's a doggy door and a dog. I don't know if the dog is playing or barking. And it looks like, I guess that's the sprinkler coming in, spraying up. Maybe the dog's just getting a drink of water. So very funny photo. I like it. It's very funny. Let's go back here and get back to the complaint, however. So that's the picture that's at issue. So let's go back down here and look at the allegations. A true War then licensed the photograph to various media outlets. Okay, so I'm not sure if this person has a pattern and practice of licensing the photos, but you can see here, apparently the plaintiff has licensed the photograph to various media outlets. So it's a commercial, it's a moneymaker. War is the author of the photograph and has at all times been the sole owner of all right, title, and interest to the photograph, including the copyright. The copyright was registered. There is a copyright registration number. As my viewers and followers know, you have to register your copyright if you want to file a federal court lawsuit. Them's the rules. I don't make them up. Okay, so the defendant's infringing activities. Let's see what the bad guy did, or supposedly the bad guy. On July 20th, 2018, Mashable ran an article on the website entitled "Dog Drags Sprinkler Indoors, Unleashing Chaos in Her Wake." And so there's a link here to where I guess the photo was hosted. The autograph featured in photograph. A screenshot of the photograph on the article is attached at Exhibit B. On July 20th, 2018, same day, Mashable ran the photograph on the Twitter page. See Exhibit C. Mashable did not license the photograph from plaintiff for its article, nor did Mashable have any permission or consent to publish the photo on the Twitter page. So let's go see. So this is a example. You know, people share photos on Twitter all the time, right? But this is an example that you have to be careful, because if it's copyrighted, you may have a problem. So here, this photographer is claiming that this photo, if we can get to it here, Exhibit C, was on the Twitter page. So as you can see, this is Mashable, very, very popular website, one that I like a lot, actually. Kudos, shout out to them for their great work. But here it is, dogs drag sprinkler indoors, unleashing chaos in his wake. Now, the other one was her wake, but this says his wake, so I don't know if that matters. Interesting. But there's the photo. So they're claiming copyright infringement of that. And that is the essence of the complaint. Now, there's also a part about 1202. And let's get down to that real quick. So there's your basic copyright infringement claim against the defendant. But there's also the claim here that, if I can get to it, the defendant Irish be adjudged to have falsified, removed, and or altered copyright management information in violation of 17 U.S.C. 1202. 17 U.S.C. 1202. Let's say that one more time here.
Defendant Irish is right to have falsified, removed, and/or altered copyright management information in violation of 17 U.S.C. paragraph 1202.
Okay, I just wanted to hear that. So 1202, now I'm not sure what that claim actually relates to, because when I went back to Exhibit A, I didn't see any copyright management information, but there may be more to the story. So here they talk about, alternatively, they seek statutory damages of at least $2,500 and up to $25,000 for each instance of false copyright management information and or removal or alteration of copyright management information committed by defendant pursuant to 17 U.S.C. 1203C, as in cupcake. So we've talked about this in other content that we put out. The 1202 claim, which is a separate claim from the general copyright infringement. Here, they're saying some sort of copyright. Now, usually it's a copyright symbol and who the photographer is, or and what the rights are, whatever. But here I didn't see. If you go back to Exhibit A, I'm not going to do it, but you'll see that there really was no copyright management information that I saw. So I'm not sure what that claim relates to. There needs to be good faith on all the claims that you bring in a federal court. So we'll see what happens with that. But, you know, they're looking for costs, attorney fees, damages for a Twitter posting of a picture. So all I'm saying, folks, is be careful out there. You know that these lawsuits happen. This is not an isolated incident. They do happen. I think Tom Brady filed a similar case, the quarterback for New England Patriots, for a photo that was used of him on Twitter. So you never can just say, oh, I'm just tweeting, it's all fair use, you know, it's no big deal. There are people that hold their copyrights that do license them for a living that may not appreciate that you're distributing and publicly displaying, reproducing their photographs. Okay, so this is Breaking IP Legal News. Attorney Steve Vondran, you know where to find me on the web. Copyright, trademark infringement, entertainment law. AttorneySteve.com. That's AttorneySteve.com. I hope you like this news. I got to get back to work. I got a ton of stuff to do today, but hope you enjoy this quick video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Don't be afraid to subscribe. Bye now.